Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Firstly, wishing you all a happy UAE National Day. I hope you enjoyed the long weekend. Markets will open from tomorrow, so let's start preparing. We have entered the last month of 2024, that is December, so let's have a very bigger picture of the market. I'm on the monthly chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. This chart is looking extremely bullish, extremely positive. We can see for the last 6 month market has been just climbing up non-stop. From June onwards we can see all green candles, and for the month of November it has printed a solid green candle. This is very positive, but at the same time let me tell you I'm a bit skeptical as of now. Reason is we have not seen any correction in the market for the last 6 months. Previously we can see after 4 months of upside momentum we have 3 months retracement and then again a continuation to the upside. If we look at the historical data, we have similar kind of reaction. Check this out here. We can clearly see nice trending move, a correction phase that is right here, and then again market moves to the upside. So what we are seeing here is bit scary in a positive way. Obviously what we are seeing is 6 green candles back to back. Correction is due. Now it does not mean that market will start coming down aggressively. That will not happen most likely, but on the monthly chart on the higher time frame clearly we can see market is bit extended. So there are chances it may hit the resistance that is around 4,902 points. Maybe it can go up and then it will start to correct itself. On the monthly chart on the higher time frame, DFM market index is extremely bullish and it's looking very strong. Let's go down to weekly and see how the weekly chart is. And even here on the weekly chart, no signs of bears. In fact, it's looking more stronger. Reason is after this strong move to the upside, market took a pause for about a week, that is between resistance and support. Let me give you the numbers also. Resistance is at 4,779 points, support is at 4,669 points. And last week's candle closing is very bullish, it's very strong. It broke the resistance of 4,834 points. Now it's getting ready for 4,902 points. On the weekly chart it's looking very positive. The reason is we are seeing nice healthy upside momentum. After a move it came down for a correction, again a move to the upside followed by a upside momentum, again a small pause here, and now market is gearing up for another move. So even on the weekly chart I can safely say market is very bullish and positive. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And here it's showing us nice price action. It took a pause around this area that is 4,699, and from here we are seeing strong push to the upside. Best part is in last trading session market has closed above immediate resistance of 4,834. Next resistance or strong resistance is at 4,902. If at all market wants to correct itself, let's identify important areas of support. First one is obviously at 4,779. If this does not hold, then we can expect it to come down till about 4,699. If at all market wants to correct itself, then I think this area would be the safest bet because this is strong support zone. Otherwise, if at all market breaks to the upside, then there are new resistance zone which I shall update in my coming videos. For now, need of the hour is to break 4,902 points. If at all big stocks like Emaar Properties, Emaar Development, DIB, Emirates and BD Bank, they move tomorrow, then there are very good chances index will also follow and it will make a new high. Overall on the daily chart also DFM market index is very strong. This is the monthly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Here I can see a positive breakout. Let's go down right from this zone that I had explained in my last video, that is around 4,700 points. We could see market continuously climbing up. We could not see any correction phase during this strong bull phase. What happened here is now it has started accumulating, or we can say it is in a bullish chart pattern that looks like a pole and a flag. This is considered to be bullish provided we see a break to the upside. And exactly this is what we are seeing right here. We saw a breakout of this resistance. As we could see previously, when it was trying for a breakout, it got rejected, it came down. Similarly, it tried here as well. and again here that means 9815 is strong resistance. But finally we can see a trend line breakout of this flag pattern 9340 area. So this is a good indication that pattern is broken, but now we want to see clearance of this area, that is 9815, that was previously a strong nut to break and market was not able to break out. If at all on the monthly chart, if we can see a nice solid candle, a closing above 9815, then be ready, we can see a very strong move to the upside. Market can even break out 11,000 points. Overall, as of now, ADX market is still consolidating. On the monthly chart, we are seeing it's been going sideways from August onwards. So August, September, October and November, market is just going sideways for the last 4 months. So December would be very interesting. If at all it can print a solid green candle before the year end, then this would give us a perfect scenario for coming year, that is 2025, that we can see market going above 9815 points and then it may revisit 10,650 points, that was previous swing. Let's go down to weekly and see how the chart is looking, and here we can see some sort of negativity. As I have been mentioning, if at all you are watching my videos regularly, then you are very much aware that this area is resistance. Market is not able to break out. In fact, we are seeing solid red candle breaking down the support zone. Last weekly closing is not very good, it's negative. There are chances it may come down to visit next support at 9160. If this area fails to hold, then we have stronger support at 8974 points. Hopefully that does not happen. I want to see market climbing up from here. Reason is because we are seeing September onwards, market is just going sideways. We are not seeing any good moves. It's just accumulating into this area. So overall on the weekly chart, market is just going sideways. There are chances of a correction. I would like to go down to daily chart to see how the market performed, and here we can see negativity. Market could not break out 9352 points, that is immediate resistance. It tried multiple times but we did not see success. Previously we saw a nice bullish momentum right from this area, that is 9200 points. Market went up, it took a pause at next resistance zone, that is 9352. Market successfully broke out, but it was not able to break previous swing, that is 9520. From here we saw a strong decline to the downside. Market tried to recover. We almost did 90% of recovery, but it was not able to break out and close above this zone, so it's looking a bit weaker. However, when I compare ADX market index with DFM, obviously Dubai financial market is looking very bullish and stronger, whereas ADX market has to still perform. It has to break out the resistance. Again, to repeat, on the daily chart also market is looking a bit negative. Support zones are already identified, as I just mentioned. I would be only positive and bullish once I see a solid candle close above this resistance, that is 9457 points. Obviously this candle will not be printed in one day. What I want to see is slowly and steadily it going up and breaking out the swing high, so that we can confirm now market is in bullish territory, and from here there are chances of upside momentum. As and when price unfolds, definitely I will keep you updating. If at all there is any bullish scenario, if market has entered into bullish territory, then ADX market will perform very well. It may make some good aggressive moves. In last trading session, we saw Parkin made very nice aggressive move to the upside. Thanks to the positive news, Parkin performed very well, whereas we did not see similar move in Stalk. Reason is Stalk has already made a strong momentum to the upside. It has already factored in so many positive newses, and when the news was released about dynamic pricing, market did not react very positively. It opened with a small gap up, it could not survive and it came down. However, if we can look at Parkin, we did not see any aggressive moves. It has been climbing up slow and steadily, and lately we saw aggressive move to the downside. Thankfully support was intact. We saw good buying pressure from support. This was also the place where I had mentioned my members to take entry. From here we saw strong upside momentum. Honestly, I did not expect Parkin will make such a big move. at the last trading session before the long weekend. So move has already done. What can happen now, those who have missed this party? Well, tomorrow if it opens flat or with a gap up, we can still confirm there are chances it can slowly go up or at least print a pause candle, because after this strong move, market needs to digest the price. If at all it opens with a gap down, then this would indicate negativity, then we cannot take any entries. Best scenario would be if it opens flat or with a gap up, that's when we can take small entries. Now you may ask why we can take small entries, not in big quantities. Reason is, check this out, it has bounced off from support area and from here it has made strong upside momentum. So obviously if someone starts to run directly, the person will be tired, exhausted. He or she has to take a rest and then it can start its new run so that the person can perform well. Here we can see a strong momentum. Let's calculate this move right from this area, that is 3.95. Market has moved up till 4.75. So we can see a move of 20% to the upside. Those who bought at the bottom are definitely in good profits. So if at all tomorrow it opens with a gap down, those who bought here, they will immediately start to book profits and price may come down. That's the reason I just mentioned it's not safe to take big quantities at the top. There are chances profit booking may come and price can come down. At the same time, we do not want to miss another momentum, so that's the reason I'm recommending small entries only, and you should plan your stop loss very tight. In case if it comes down for a deeper correction, then you should be out with minimal and calculated loss. On the upside, when you see it's making all-time high, when you see good profits, you must start selling your stocks. So guys, this was the detailed analysis for the last month, that is November 2024. If this video was helpful, then do not forget to hit the like button to show your support. For more detailed analysis on stocks with entries and exit, you may scan the QR code and join my YouTube membership. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.